comparing the biomass captured by various carbon-based life forms on Earth. Considering their limitations in size, shape, and mobility, prokaryotes have done remarkably well in exploiting available sources of energy and nutrients. According to a recent estimate by Baron, Phillips, and Milo, the total biomass of all carbon-based life on Earth is about 550 gigatons, 550 billion tons of carbon. Of this total, bacteria and archaea have captured about 70 and 7 gigatons, respectively, primarily in deep subsurface environments. Plants, on the other hand, which are multicellular eukaryotes, have captured about 450 gigatons of carbon. Most of that biomass is found in terrestrial environments. Clearly, in terms of opportunities for capturing energy and converting available carbon to biomass, plants are living proof of the new opportunities afforded to multicellular terrestrial eukaryotes. Terrestrial plants have far greater biomass than prokaryotes because they are available to harvest and exploit the vast amounts of energy available from photons of sunlight that pass through the atmosphere. They also can readily take in carbon dioxide, CO2, required for carbon fixation during photosynthesis, and release oxygen as a byproduct. Much of the biomass is utilized to build rigid and resilient structures from cellulose, which is a polymer of glucose found in plant cell walls. Especially in dense rainforests, trees compete for available sunlight by building tall trunks and branches that thrust their leaves skyward towards the canopy, where sunlight is most abundant. Other environmental factors, such as water, proximity to the equator, optimal temperatures, nitrates, and phosphates, are limiting resources that are responsible for the distribution of plants among terrestrial biomes. In the oceans, both carbon dioxide and water are abundant, but sunlight is rapidly filtered out by increasing depths of water, and nitrates and phosphates are usually more limited, except in waters polluted by, for example, agricultural runoff. The largest communities of marine organisms that depend on photosynthesis usually thrive near the water's surface, where unfiltered wavelengths of sunlight are most abundant.